Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to open a mini little secret, Shopkins little secret for you guys.
Let's see. It is a Shopkins Little Secret. Oh, this little glare. Sorry, guys. Looks very cute. And you can collect them all. You can even wear them. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. The guide is in the bottom.
Show them the doll.
Okay, this is Jacinta. Not sure if I'm saying that right. She's so cute. She's winking. I like her blue hair.
Oh.
It's this one.
Mama.
Yes.
Show this.
Precious
This
perfumery.
opens. Mama, this opens.
Ooh, let's see. Let's show.
That opens.
Look how cute. Can you see? This, she said this opens. And comes with a little key. I guess so you can open that. And I guess this is the keychain that you can wear it. Very awesome. So cute. Can you show where the doll goes? Do you need the, I guess you need the key to unlock it?
Yeah, we can open it with our hands or we can do it with the key.
Oh, there we go.
Mama, I guess that one doesn't come with Shopkins.
Oh, the little Shopkins? No, it just comes with, this one just comes with the doll. Oh, where'd she go? Oh, there she is. It just comes with the doll
Mama,
and the little
Mama,
secrets thing.
this one, these ones do not come with necklaces.
No, they don't come with necklaces.
So we can only play with this one.
Well, it's a keychain. This one's a little keychain. You can hang it on your little backpack or your purse.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you say thanks for watching?
Thank you for watching, guys.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Comment, subscribe, and like.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys.